is not just in Hollywood. In fact, it's all over the world. Kaya naman po nakakaingit ang ating mga kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Ang mag-asawang Ruben and Janet Nepales, kababalik lang po nila from Europe. At ito naman ang mga scoop para sa ating Nepales Reports. Ruben Nepales, ang ating pinagmamalaking kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Hello and welcome back to LA.
Hi, Janelle. It's good to be back.
I know, saan ka ba nag-jet set? You've been jet setting all over the world. Just recently, you got back from Europe, correct?
Yes, galing kami ng London for the Harry Potter movies being filmed there. Tapos Berlin for the Anonymous visit at saka sa Verona for Letters to Juliet.
Oh my gosh, London, Berlin, and Verona. Ano naman ang mga baon mo at pasalubong mo sa amin ng mga scoop for this afternoon?
Meron akong love potion for you kung gusto mo from the set. Binigyan kami ng parang collectible item, ng love potion from Harry Potter.
Wow, love potion. That might work. All right. Anything else from Harry Potter?
Na pinalad kami na nakabumalik sa Leavesden Studios kung saan ginagawa yung Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Parts 1 and 2. So, nakapanood kami ng ilang filming ng scenes na-interview namin ng mga ibang stars at saka producers and the director.
Ano ang mood? This is the last installment of the series, right? Ano ang mood sa set ng Harry Potter?
Yeah, ito na ang last, bali final 2 installments. Kaya nakusap namin si Rupert Grint at sabi nga siya, emotional siya kasi ito na nga ang last 2. Tapos, imagine kasi parang half of their lives itong buhay nila, right? So finally, mag-end. Pero at the same time, sabi ni Rupert, he's sad, but at the same time, excited siya at makakagawa na siya ng ibang pelikula.
Are there big expectations that this will surpass yung mga successes ng mga previous Harry Potter movies?
Yeah, kasi yung ibang napanood naming scenes na ginawa, we're not at the liberty to discuss kung ano yung scene na yun. Pero from what we saw, exciting ito. At saka at the same time, si Rupert ay inaantay na kissing scene nila with Emma Watson. So sabi niya, finally nagawa nila at saka kinakabahan daw siya, lalo na daw sa first take, inabot daw sila ng 4 takes.
Wow. But you know what? We have a picture of the studio, pero hindi tayo makalapit, no? And you couldn't take pictures inside the studio?
Yes, hindi kami allowed na kumuha inside, pero outside pwede kumuha. Although, later on, bibigay sa amin, may official photographer inside the set na kinunan kami. So, one day we'll share that.
I know, and speaking of sharing pictures, napakaraming pictures naman from the very beautiful Verona, Italy, kung saan naman kayo bumisita sa set ng Letters to Juliet?
Yes, actually tapos na, pero so doon ginawang interviews with Amanda Seyfried, Gael Garcia Bernal, at saka si Christopher Egan, kasi ang movie set in Verona, at doon sa bahay ni Juliet, supposedly, many of the scenes were taken there.
Ayan, ano naman ang chismis mula sa Letters to Juliet?
Ang Letters to Juliet, si Amanda in love pa rin kay I think they're in love with each other. Si Dominic Cooper is ang actor. At saka si Gael naman ay nakakatuwa. Kasi napag-usapan nga ang suicide over love affairs and all that. Nakakatuwa ang analogy ni Gael kasi sabi niya, since taga-LA kaya may alam niya na usually magsisimula sa Topanga, gusto mong magpakamatay doon. But then once, kasi maraming mga trips doon, pero once you go to Malibu, pag nakita mo na daw yung mga ice cream store, sabi mo daw, mabuti hindi ako nagpakamatay.
Yeah, life is beautiful. Meanwhile, alam mo naman, pag in love, always beautiful ang life. You have a picture here that you sent us. It's a wall that's full of mga love letters. Ano to?
Yes, may tradition pala doon sa bahay ni Juliet na people from all over the world, they post their love letters doon sa wall at sa ibang punong-puno ng graffiti kasi people also express their love, like so-and-so loved, so-and-so mga ganun. Kaya makikita mo, punong-puno yung walls ng mga ganun.
Ayan, pag nagpunta ako dyan, siguro makikita ko yung sinulat mo, Ruben loves Janet.
Tama.
Alright.
Sinulat ka, tama ka, I did write that.
Ayan, of course. And of course, Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day to Janet. Mother's Day, I know meron kang mga Mother's Day tidbits for us today as well, Ruben?
Yes. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin at sa lahat ng mga people who play nurturing lives in people's lives. Anyway, ang naisip ko, dalawang artista na very moving sila when they talk about their mothers. Una na si Gerard Butler kasi inabandon sila or iniwanan sila ng father niya when he was only 2 years old. Kaya ang nag-pray ng mother at saka father figure niya yung nanay niya. Kaya sinasabi niya sa akin, I wish you were there to see it. Nung pinag-usapan niya ang nanay niya, talaga makikita mo, mahal na mahal niya ang nanay niya. Kasi sabi niya, twice daw intensity na pagmamahal niya sa nanay niya dahil nga yun ang ginawa niyang lahat para sa kay Gerard sa kanyang dalawang kapatid niya.
Ayan, and I know that Charlize Theron, when she speaks of her successes, palagi rin niyang binabanggit yung nanay niya.
I know, pero may tragic background naman yan at hindi naman niya pinag-usapan. Although, from talking to her, makikita mo rin ang pagmamahal na sa niya nanay niya. Kasi nung abusive daw, alcoholic ang tatay ni Charlize, nung 15 na witness niya na dumating ang father niya na medyo lasang yata at saka in a rage, tapos may dalang baril at tinatangkayatang barilin silang dalawa ng nanay niya. So, in self-defense, nabaril ng nanay ni Charlize ang tatay at namatay, and na-witness ni Charlize yan. So, parang may bond, parang may bond yung dalawa kasi
they went through the trauma together in a way,
exactly,
right? All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing those interesting news stories, Hollywood news stories with us today. I know you're working on something for your next column.
Yes, I'm writing about yung letters to Juliet at saka itong Anonymous.
Ayan, babasahin namin ang column mo, Ruben Nepales. Thank you so much. Only in Hollywood, www.inquirer.net. Thank you. More power to you.
Thank you. Bye.
That was Ruben Nepales, our kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. When we return, we will have more Mother's Day stories for you. Don't go away.